Hi, I'm TR, and this is my mid-century ranch home renovation project.
So I thought I'd show you a pretty good trick that I learned many years ago when I worked part-time for a painter, and that's how to clean your brushes and rollers. What you need is just a good wire brush. This is a cheap one. You get the set of 3. I'll put a link in the description below to my Amazon store where you can pick up your own. They're really inexpensive, but super handy for cleaning the brush. The roller is super easy to clean. I scraped all the paint out of it in the paint bucket, so it's pretty dry. And then just take a bucket and set your hose sprayer up to jet. You want a jet like that, okay? And you use the bucket to keep this off yourself. Now I'm going to have the camera over here because I don't want to spray paint all over the camera. But put this brush into the bucket, rest this metal arm against the edge of the bucket, and basically you're going to be able to spin this roller. I'll do it on slow speed so you can see how it works. So we're going to spin that roller. You see how it spins? Now I'm going to turn away here so you don't get wet. And you're done. Now this paint won't hurt the grass at all. It's latex paint. It might stain the grass a little bit, but I'll mow that off. But look, it's nice and clean. It's all fluffed up and ready to go for the next time. Now when it comes to cleaning your paintbrush, I'm just going to come in here on my right. Let's get this back to shower so we're not making so much mess. Make sure I don't shoot the camera. If you can see on this, and I'm just going to wash this brush out briefly. Just get the bulk of it out. I'm going to put a little water in this pan. Okay, now I'm going to grab my wire brush and I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to just scrub this down. And that'll take off all the dry paint that ends up on the edge of the brush. Gets down in between all of the bristles of the brush and cleans them. That brush is clean. So in under 5 minutes I cleaned the roller, the brush, the pan, and we're good to go for the next time. I did get a little water on me, but it's not going to kill me. So if you found value in this video, I appreciate that thumbs up. Those are always welcomed. So if you're not subscribed, I do invite you to subscribe. Lots of videos still to come on my mid-century ranch home renovation project. Questions or comments, make them below. Happy to get back to you. Also, your support of my Amazon store is greatly appreciated. I thank you very much for that. There's a playlist in the corner up here with all of the videos in order as I've worked through this project, so I invite you to check that out as well. But for now, it's time to go. I thank you for watching. Until we get together for another mid-century ranch home renovation project video, peace.